Good morning. Welcome to my channel, The Personal Chef Renee. Today we're going to be baking a pineapple upside down cake, and this is not from scratch. This is one of those quick, easy cakes. Here is the recipe. I got this recipe from my cousin. He is forever baking something, and he made this, and this is exactly how it came out, and it's so beautiful, and it looks so good, and it tastes just great. So I'm going to try to duplicate it. But instead of using a 9x13 pan, I'm going to use two 8-inch rounds to do mine. And we have brown sugar, butter, yellow cake mix, 4 eggs, 120-ounce can of sliced pineapples, drained, 120-ounce can of crushed pineapples, drained, and you're going to use 1 cup of the pineapple juice from the drained pineapples, maraschino cherries, and either 2 8-inch rounds or 13 by 9-inch round. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Make sure all your ingredients have been sitting out for a minimum of 30 minutes before you get started. And I'll be right back. Okay, step 1. You're going to melt this butter and 1 cup of brown sugar. While that's melting, I'm going to beat the eggs. You don't have to do this. You can do this directly in the cake mix. I just prefer to pre-beat. I have assembled all the ingredients for step 2 in the bowl, so I'm going to finish beating everything. Also to this, I'm going to add just a little bit of baking powder, about a teaspoon to this recipe, just to make it rise a little bit better. 1 to 2 minutes of hand beating, and it's perfect. If it looks a little chunky, it's because, remember, it has crushed pineapples in it. Now we're gonna take it over and get everything in here. Be right back. Look at that. The cakes are ready for the oven. Perfect. Now hopefully they come out perfect. Let's get them in the oven. The recipe says 350. I'm baking these on 325. You have to adjust your oven according to how you know your oven bakes your cakes and pies and cookies and whatever. But 325 is where I'm going to bake this in for 40 minutes, and then we'll be back in 40 minutes. The timer just went off, and my mom is getting ready to make sure these cakes are ready. See, she old school for real. There you go. She checking them. Toothpick, she's doing a toothpick test. Come out clean, it's good. If not, gotta bake it some more. It's good. It's good? My mama said, it's good, it's good. So, we're gonna let these cool for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over, and I'll be back with the end result. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. I just read the instructions. It said 5 minutes and then flip it over. It's been about 10 minutes, and so I got the first one flipped down. Now I'm getting ready to flip the other one, and then I'm gonna take them both off so you can see the end result. Okay, Mom is gonna do the honors. She is going to lift them off. The first one looks like pretty good. Just a little bit of stuff in there, but that's okay. We're gonna eat that too. Now she's gonna do the second one. Like I said, we're gonna eat that too. This is the end result of the quick, easy pineapple upside down cake. Baking time, 40 minutes at 325. Prep time, approximately 10 minutes. So you can have this cake in and out of the oven within 1 hour. We're still letting the cake cool down. We're not gonna cut it just yet, but we will be cutting it later, and I will film that part too. So in the meantime, thank you everybody for watching this. You can get this on your table in less than 1 hour. Quick, easy pineapple upside down cake. The holidays are coming up, and this is a must-have for your festivities. I shall return for the cutting. Okay, the cake is ready and Mom is gonna do the honors. Now you see how she cutting the whole pineapple piece?
You got that right.
She cutting the whole pineapple piece. Okay, let's see what it look like. Let's see if it's all the way. Okay. It is all the way. Now she gonna taste it and she gonna give you the real deal Holyfield. She gonna give you the truth. It looks really good. Hope it tastes as good as my cousin's. His was excellent.
No, don't make it. It's good.
And there you have it from my mother. The no, don't make it lady. Let me see. I'm gonna cut a little piece myself. Move it to the side. Get me a fork out. And let's try a little piece. Now I'm over here doing the happy dance. If you like pineapple upside down cake and you do not want to go through all the making it from scratch and you just want something on the table quick, make this cake. This cake is the truth. The recipe is in the beginning. We are now at the end. And thank you everybody for stopping by watching. And if you have not joined my channel, hit that subscription button, notification bell, comment, like, share. And when you're cooking or baking, make sure you do it with love, because people can tell if you're just cooking to be cooking or if you're cooking with love. Thank you, everybody. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.